you ready?
This is where the AB story began. Hard to believe, isn't it? Sometime in the 80s, Eliezer was running a CNC factory making parts for Israel's Lavi fighter jet project.
It's true. I was.
When the project and the factory shut down, he decided to work in our basement at home, making implants for dentist friends of ours. Fast forward to today. AB is a worldwide company with distributors in over 50 countries and more than 100 employees, some with us for decades. In the beginning, all we had was faith, going door to door while dreaming of being a global name someday. In 2000, AB Dental was officially founded. In 2004, we got our CE marking. In 2006, we got FDA approval. We've always been serious about the strictest safety and quality standards. Then, the patents started flowing. We wanted independence, so in 2011, we built our own factory, which got more advanced every year with the world's top planning, production, and QA technologies, all in one place. A chance encounter at the IAOI Congress in 2004, where we first met Professor Eli Raviv and Dr. Mili Raviv from Canada. Today, one of our greatest partnerships. Followed by many more across over 50 countries: Mexico, China, Romania, the Dominican Republic, India, Italy, and many more. No matter where we are, our heart stays where it started. AB Dental just kept on growing and expanding. Today, the AB family is worldwide, and our own personal family, 3 generations of Bar Shaloms, all helping to lead AB Dental to new and exciting things. And how better to celebrate the AB family than a new home? This year, we'll be moving into a new factory with better and more advanced production capabilities at scale to serve you better than ever. Thank you for sharing this incredible journey with us. And here's to another 25 years. L'chaim.